Good morning everyone. My name is Kent Austin L. Chua, grade 1 cylinder. This is my performance task in mathematics. I will show you how to solve the two-digit subtraction with and without regrouping. I will solve first subtraction regrouping. Let's start. Number 1, 95 minus 76. I will start at the ones place. 5 minus 6 cannot be. I will borrow at the tens place. 9 become 8 and 5 become 15. 15 minus 6 equals 9. 8 minus 7 equals 1. So 95 minus 76 equals 19. Number 2, 74 minus 59. I will start at the ones place. 4 minus 9 cannot be. I will borrow at the tens place. 7 becomes 6 and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 6 minus 5 equals 1. So 74 minus 59 equals 15. Number 3, 57 minus 28. I will start at the ones place. 7 minus 8 cannot be. I will borrow at the tens place. 5 become 4 and 7 become 17. 17 minus 8 equals 9. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So 57 minus 28 equals 29. Number 4, 68 minus 49. I will start at the ones place. 8 minus 9 cannot be. I will borrow at the tens place. 6 become 5 and 8 become 18. 18 minus 9 equals 9. 5 minus 4 equals 1. So 68 minus 49 equals 19. Number 5, 44 minus 28. I will start at the ones place. 4 minus 8 cannot be. I will borrow at the tens place. 4 become 3 and 4 become 14. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So 44 minus 28 equals 16. Now I will show you how to solve the two-digit subtraction without regrouping. Let's start. Number 1, 21 minus 10. I will start at the ones place. 1 minus 0, bring down 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So 21 minus 10 equals 11. Number 2, 55 minus 33. I will start at the ones place. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. So 55 minus 33 equals 22. Number 3, 89 minus 75. I will start at the ones place. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 8 minus 7 equals 1. So 89 minus 75 equals 14. Number 4, 90 minus 20. I will start at the ones place. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 9 minus 2 equals 7. So 90 minus 20 equals 70. Number 5. 84 minus 22. I will start at the ones place. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 8 minus 2 equals 6. So 84 minus 22 equals 62. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye!